Welcome to Real World AIP. My name's Stacey and today I'm going to making AIP compliant nori rolls. You can use anything. You can use raw tuna, you can use sushi grade salmon, but this is my latest obsession. And I picked these up at Whole Foods on a whim and just decided to whip up some nori rolls with things that I already had laying around. I'll show you all the different little things that I chopped up to put in my nori rolls. These are Easter egg radishes. You can kind of see they're like white and red and whatever. It'll give it that radishy flavor. These are celery ribbons. I removed the first fibrous coating before I started saving them. Just some fresh chopped chives. Carrot ribbons, which I made the same way with the vegetable peeler. I have half of an avocado sliced, some lime wedges, chopped up arugula. This is mango. I used the carrot peeler to get little mango slices, like super thin. And then for my dipping sauce, of course you gotta have coconut aminos, and I usually avoid anything fermented because I have a little bit of a histamine intolerance, but because I keep my bucket low, so every once in a while I fill it up a little more without overflowing it, that histamine bucket. Anyway, tonight I'm gonna splurge and have some of this. I'm going to add some fresh chopped garlic, some fresh chopped ginger, and a secret ingredient, tamarind. This stuff, I buy it fresh. It comes in a pod. It looks like this. You crack open the pod, you soak what you get in there in hot water for an hour, and you can make it thick or thin. I like it thin. I made tamarind water. I put this in meatballs. I'm gonna have a recipe coming up on those sweet and sour meatballs. They're so freaking amazing. This is also good in any kind of Asian cuisine, any kind of curry, stir fry. So to make the sushi rolls, I got this little sushi mat. It came with a rice thing, which I don't use because I don't eat rice. By the way though, if you wanted to make this with rice, plantain rice is really good because it gets sticky if you process it a little bit more, not too much, but just a little bit extra. It makes the perfect sushi rice. Or you could go the cauliflower rice route. I don't like cauliflower rice, but so sushi mat, sushi sheets. Let's get started. So you put the sushi roll on the mat. First I'm gonna lay down some avocado slices. Put some arugula. I'm just gonna put a little lime juice, fresh lime, right over that. Fresh chives. Mango. Carrots. Celery. Little Easter egg radishes. On top of that, salmon caviar. Right, you press that, and then you kind of roll it a little more, and then you press it, and then you roll it a little more. This has a tendency to want to open up. What you can do is put a little lime juice there, or a little bit of your dipping sauce, which, let's build that dipping sauce, right? Coconut amino, garlic, ginger, tamarind water. Any pieces that are lifting, you can just do like this. And then you want to let this sit for a minute before you slice it. Just let it sit. It's time to cut them. The ends I cut off, and then I kind of eat like a sushi ball. Would not dream of throwing them away. Cut it in half and cut it in thirds. So there you have it. Let me know what you put in your nori rolls. Up for new combination ideas. If you can have a lot of fermented food, kimchi's really good in these. Also wasabi. If you can get 100% wasabi powder, I'll actually link in the description to the company that sells it. A lot of companies cut it with mustard, which is not AIP. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If so, subscribe below. I do put out new videos every Thursday, sometimes on Sundays. I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.